It's the new normal for kids. An afternoon at the playground involves mask wearing and a conscious attempt at social distancing.
Yeah, it's certainly in a heartbeat. He's got all his other shots, and you know, it's you know, you want to make sure they got all the protections you can.
Nils Barth says without hesitation he would have his son Enzo vaccinated when the toddler becomes eligible. Right now, the Pfizer vaccine is the only one in the U.S. authorized for teenagers 16 and up. But today, the drug maker officially requesting emergency use authorization from the FDA to expand its vaccine to children ages 12 to 15. Pfizer said its clinical trials show the vaccine is safe and 100% effective for children in that age range. Most public health experts say we can only get to true herd immunity by vaccinating the youth.
We are going to need people under the age of 16, kids, to get vaccinated because, you know, they make up roughly 20% or so of the entire U.S. population of around 330 million people.
While studies have shown COVID-19 isn't as severe in children, particularly younger kids, that doesn't mean children aren't at risk of getting infected and then spreading the virus. As researchers seek to understand why younger children generally have milder symptoms than teenagers, a troubling assessment this week from the CDC. Our youth is one reason for the recent surge.
We are learning that many outbreaks in young people are related to youth sports and extracurricular activities.
The FDA has not yet responded to Pfizer's request to vaccinate 12 to 15-year-olds. Both Pfizer and Moderna announced they're also testing their vaccines on infants to 11-year-olds. Realistically, the little ones won't be eligible until late fall or winter at the earliest. Parents like Nils Barth says he will be ready when the time comes.
You need to get it at some point. So obviously one does it carefully.
And also just today, New York State now saying it's okay for students wearing masks to sit just 3 feet apart in a classroom instead of the previous 6 feet apart guidance. Now, the new rule falls in line with already revised federal guidance from the CDC. And speaking of the CDC, its latest data shows at least 250 children with COVID-19 have died. In the newsroom, I'm Shirley Chan, Pix 11 News.